Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. Click on New and then OK. Go for the sketch. Select plane. I'm selected top plane and then OK. Now make a rectangle of 96 by 64 mm. And then finish. Extrude it by 16 mm value. Select top face as a sketch plane. Make a rectangle of 16 by 64 mm. And finish sketch. Again extrude by 48 mm value and then finish it. Go for the edge fillet, select edge and the radius of the edge fillet is 32 mm and OK. Select top face as a sketch plane, make a rectangle and now make a rectangle of 42 by 40 mm and then finish sketch. Go for the extrude and the value of extrude is 28 and then OK. Again select front face as a sketch plane, make a circle on the middle and the diameter of the circle is 24 mm and finish sketch. Go for the extrude, select sketch and direction is reverse and then boolean is subtract and then OK. And only two things are remaining. Select top face as a sketch plane, make a rectangle of 16 by 20 from the side. Position of the rectangle is 16 mm and then make a circle and then finish sketch. Again go for the extrude, select sketch and direction is reversed and boolean is subtract and then OK. Only stiffener part is remaining now. Go to sketch, select side face as a sketch plane and with the help of line create edge to edge line and then finish sketch. Again go to the extrude. Our sketch is not proper. Edit sketch and create proper loop and then finish Now again, value is 12 mm and boolean is none, and then OK. Select all the sketches with the help of Control and right click and hide it. Our drawing is finished now.